Hello guys. Today I'm going to talk about the very most important things that regulars if you are an auto workshop and collection centers owner, then then this is very essential for you. So as a auto body shop and um, collection center owner, you must be run Google Ads. And if you run Google Ads uh, and like you targeting all of the repairs type of keywords, then you are wrong. You are just wasting your budget. So what you have to do, you have to specifically uh, research keywords for your auto body shops and also function certification centers. So specifically when you research keywords by your specifically businesses, then you can see the all of the irrelevant traffic are gone and very high intent traffic are will be came into your ads. So if you want to reduce your keywords, if you are want to reduce your customer just clicking into ads and cut the budget, then you have to follow a specific keywords rather than generic keywords. Okay, so in the next time when you trying to research Google Ads and research keywords for your Google Ads, then very specifically you have to research keywords for your service specific services so that you can make ad groups also for to be more specific, and you have to make landing page also. You have to do it for you more specific so that you can get real customer, real calls, and also real real names. These are from fill up by wheeling. So they are very high value and high intent client. So this is your real client. So if you are running Google Ads by the generic keywords, then you can see just there is a lot of clicks, not any kind of calls, not so much leads. You just waste your budget and um, waste your time. So try to specific in your businesses ads, but then it should be more easier to get new customer leads calls. And also you have to set up the negative keywords. This is another part. I also make a video for this. I hope you will watch this. Uh, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.